Budget session of Parliament kicked off today with Union Finance Minister tabling the economic survey. The Finance Minister will present the annual budget tomorrow. The economic survey says that the Indian economy is resilient and has been strong recovery post the pandemic. The survey has conservatively estimated that India's real GDP will grow at an approximate 6.6 to 7% in FY25. Chief Economic Advisor V. Anantha Nageswaran, in the preface of the survey, has pointed out that though the Indian economy is on a strong wicket and stable footing, there has to be a heavy lifting on the domestic front for recovery to be sustained. On the crucial debate surrounding employment, the CEA said India suffered two big economic shocks in quick succession: bad debts in the banking system and high corporate indebtedness were one. It took the first term of the present government and more to bring it under control. The COVID pandemic was the second shock and quickly followed the first one. So, it is difficult to conclude that the Indian economy's ability to create employment is structurally impaired. The survey has urged the private sector to step up in its role for employment generation and capital expenditure. The 3-week-long session will see Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presenting a record 7th straight budget 2024 to 2025 in the backdrop of changed political landscape in the country.